video we'll discuss about the polynomial function as well as the trigonometric function. Now let us start the mathematical function, that is the polynomial function. Among the mathematical function, let us discuss the polynomial function. From the polynomial function, let us start again from the simplest, that is a linear function. Linear function. What is linear function? Linear function, okay, function can be defined as function, okay, can be defined as f of x is equals to ax plus b, whereas a and b are constants. A and b are constants. Okay, constants. Now let us see example. F of x is equals to 3x plus 5. Okay, this is an example, a typical example of the linear function. A linear function example. This is example. As I have said, linear function is f of x is equal to a plus b, x plus b, a and b should be constant. Example, f of x is equal to 3x plus 5 is a typical example of what? Linear function. Okay, let us see how to solve a linear function. For example, given f of x, you can determine x, or given x, you can determine f of x. Mathematically, f of x can be mostly represented by Cartesian coordinate system as y. In Cartesian coordinate system, we represent f of x is equals to 1 for xy plane, okay? Y is equals to y for xy plane, xy coordinate system, x, y, x, y, two-dimensional coordinate system, two-dimensional coordinate system, coordinate system. That is, as usually it is known, okay? If you have the graph, the vertical axis is the y-axis and the horizontal axis is the x-axis. That's to say, y is vertical axis, and x is horizontal axis, or we call this one vertical independent variable. Okay, it is dependent variable, okay, and the x-axis is independent variable, independent variable. Okay, let us see some example. You may be asked to determine what is the value of x. Double example, in the above example, what is value of x for f of x is equals to 8. Okay, value of x, for example, in the above example, what is the value of x for f of x is equals to 8. Okay, now to solve this problem, what do you do? Okay, instead of f of x we write 8, so one can write solution solution 8 is equals to 3x plus 3x plus 5, so that to solve this problem again, what do you do? Okay, we do subtraction, that is subtract both sides by minus 5. 8 minus 5 equal to 3x plus 5 minus 5. Okay, now the result here is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3, which is equals to 3x. Okay, 3x plus 0. Now this will give us 3 is equals to 3 equal to 3x. Good. Now to solve x, divided both sides by 3 over 3, okay, equal to 3x divided by 3. Now 3 by 3 will be 1, equal to x. So as usual we can write x is equals to, it's possible, x is equals to 1. So we can do this steps and we can solve x. Okay, but you may ask that, oh, am I right? So the solution what I solved is right or wrong? Well, possible to check it. It's possible to check it. Okay, what shall we do? Look, let us check. We have said that f of x is what, f of x equal to 3x plus 5. It is checking, okay, checking our solution. Checking the solution, checking the solution. Now insert, instead of x, 1. Which means 3 what, times 1 plus 5. Okay, instead of that I can write this 1 plus, don't confuse this one, this times, okay, plus 5 this again will give us, this will give us, okay, 3 plus 5, okay, 8. Yeah, it's exactly correct. So that once you have given x, it's possible to get solution for f of x. In similar fashion, given x, you can determine f of x. Let me example 2. The first is example 1. This is example 2. Example again. Let us an exercise. What we call it is this one. Okay, that example like this one given. Okay, let me say again in similar fashion. Double example, let us given x equal to double example. Double example. The other example, x is equals to 4 is given. Okay, determine f of x. Determine f of x. Okay, or what is the value of, can say what is the value of x, f of x. Next similar question, what is the value of f of x? Solution. Go to f of x is equals to 3x plus 5. Now substitute for x is equals to 4. So f of x is equals to 3 times 4 plus 5, which is equals to what? This equal to 12 plus 5. Okay, 12 plus 5 means 2 plus 5, 17, which is equal to 70. So in this manner, one can solve for f of x given x, or you can solve x for the given f of x, vice versa. Okay, so this is the beginning of the linear function for elementary level, but next time I will show you how to get the value of f of x for all value of x's. Okay, that is given. Okay, domain of x, for example, from 3 to 5 or from 3 to 100, what will be the value of f of x? But for the time being, this is enough. See you in the next video.